Hey everybody, this is part two about adjectives for describing personality. Again, this is based on the Future 2 book, page 14. These words here. And we've got four more words. Alright, bossy, bossy, bossy. Bossy means, it's from the word boss, right? Like the manager or boss, supervisor at work. So bossy is somebody who tells you, go do this, go do that. Finish this first. Did you finish your homework? No TV until you finish your homework. Bossy. Right? Bossy. They always tell you what to do. Bossy, it usually has kind of a bad idea or bad meaning. Like, people don't usually like bossy. But also, people, in English, it's a bad problem. People usually use bossy for women. It's kind of sexist, this word. So you won't hear people usually say about man. If a man is bossy, they say, oh, like he's a strong personality, or he's in control, he's very smart. And then a woman, oh, go do this, go do that, and they say, oh, she's bossy. This can be a problem, but it's a good word, but people use it for usually in a negative way about women. But yeah, bossy. How many syllables? Bossy, bossy, bossy. 2 syllables, right? So here we have B-O-S-S-Y. We want to divide between 2 consonants. So, bossy, bossy, bossy. Where's the stress? Bossy, bossy. Which one is louder, longer? Bossy, bossy. Number 1. This means that this vowel is very important for pronunciation. Ah. It's short O. Ah. Like octopus. October. Ah. Right? It's not O, bossy. No. O, small. No. Big. Ah. Bossy. 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 Right? Bossy. Bossy. Not bus. Like I take the bus to go work. I take the car or bus. Bus. No, not Bossy. Bossy. The next word, shy. 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 The meaning of shy is kind of like, oh, I don't want to talk. Right? Shy. What's your name? My name's Vic. I'm busy. Shy. Somebody who is shy, they don't want to give information about themselves. They're kind of quiet, shy. Usually the idea is like covering face, a little bit embarrassed or shy. Children are often shy when they don't know people, right? They're, oh, I don't know you, right? Oh, what's your name? Shy. Yeah, they are shy. Opposite of outgoing, right? It's the opposite of outgoing. These are very much opposite. Outgoing, shy. Outgoing. Hi, how are you? What's your name? I'm very outgoing. Shy. Hey. Shy. How many syllables? Shy. Shy. 1 syllable. One. This is the vowel. Y is a vowel here. Shy. And it's a long I. So you hear I. Shy. Shy. The sound is the same as the name of the letter I. What is the name? I. I. That's the sound for long I. Shy. I. Shy. 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 And you want to get not right? Not like chair. No, shy, like shirt. Shirt. Right? Shy. And 2 more. Moody. The meaning of moody, this means their feelings change a lot. We can talk about mood. Mood is usually like happy or sad, or it's like feelings or personality. So moody is somebody, they change a lot, right? First they are happy. Hi, how are you? Oh, I don't want to talk. Moody, they change. Like, hi, how are you? No, I don't want to talk. Or maybe in the morning they are happy, outgoing, cheerful in the morning, and then in the afternoon they don't want to talk. Right? Shy, maybe quiet. Right? Moody. So changing the personality. Moody. That's the meaning. Pronunciation. Moody. How many syllables? Moody. 2. Moody. And right, it's very easy. It's right between the 2 vowels. Moody. Actually, I made a mistake. Sorry. For this one, I would say it's moody. O always together. That's my mistake. O always together. It's ooh. Moody. D together. Moody. Where's the stress? The loud long. Moody. The stress on the first one. Moody. Ooh. Moody. So you see the ooh. Moody. Last one. Demanding. This is somebody who's always asking, hey, give me this. Right? They are rude. Hey, help me. I need help. They're always asking, give me. I want a big pizza. Give me lots of cheese. No, can you put more cheese? Right? They are always demanding. They're asking more. Give me more. Demanding. Demanding is kind of opposite of supportive. Right? Supportive, they will help you. Somebody who will help you. Demanding, they won't help you. They will ask you, give me. Demanding. How many syllables? Pronunciation. Demanding. 3 syllables. Demanding. Right? Demanding. We have 1 vowel, another vowel, and then ing. And we hear 2 consonants, N and D, so we want to divide. Demanding. Where's the stress? Demanding. Number 2. Demanding. So the most important word is the word man, the syllable. Man. Same as like woman, man. Short a, like apple, man. Demanding. So this one can be duh, very short, like duh, demanding. Some people say demanding. Silent demanding. Oh yeah, she's demanding. She's always demanding. Yeah, demanding. Asking, give me. Demanding. That's it. That's all of the words. Check the definitions here, the meaning, and write the answers here. Send me a photo when you finish. All right, good luck.